Hi, in the VP Residence theme you can create a splash page. The page can be used as a welcoming page. You can create a splash page with video as background, with slider as background, or with a simple image. The process of creating such pages is simple. I have the splash page already created, so I will show how it was built. The splash page template was assigned to this page, and all settings for this page are managed from theme options. Under general section you will find splash page, and here you can select the type. You can choose between image, video or image slider. For video you can upload MP4 format videos and other formats. For image you can upload your own image and make settings like overlay color, opacity, and add a title. And for image slider you can upload here your own gallery, set slider transition, and make other settings. The splash page will display the site logo, menu, user login, will display the text added in theme options, and a search form if you enable it. You'll have two widgets section where you can select the widgets that you want. You can display your social media and a message here. Once the splash page is completely set, you'll just need to go to settings, reading, and set the splash page as home page. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching.